straight onto R114.
Shoba Fair, welcome to another beautiful, fun and exciting episode of Cast and Centralized. And I am your nice, good, beautiful, great fun student, could be the entertainer. Hello, Mina no kukuru. Ariango Westside Garage, Chico Braziko, Robert Dintangda.
Continue on R114 for 4 kilometers.
Hey, I had to throw my phone, guys, because I saw trouble. When I see trouble and I'm on the phone, I throw it away. Can't just hold on to trouble. No. Throw away. Deal with the crisis. How are you? When. Kube taka ZIKO. Wabona wena. Wabona wena. Rube taka ZIKO. Kazinko ba jumpile. Samsokolo kudenile. Maphoyisa bangikhadile. Let's go to ZIKO. Wena.
In 500 meters, turn right.
Wena mona wa jambicha man. Ukasitsene yaris. Ezifuza na feja garage. Kama unotsena wa di amoko. Ai. Inotsena feja ya chat.
Turn right, then turn right. Westside Garage is on the right.
Westside Garage. Westside Garage is on the right. 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 Well, no shy way, nah. She's shy, guys. She's in the car. The one with the workshop and doing all those things in the workshop, she's in the car. At least you know the car, guys. You know who I'm talking about. Let's sneak up on how the car sounds from the back. There she is. Okay. Let me go see Braziko. Before I see Braziko. If I can't find you at Car Gang, I found you here. Yeah. Sure, bro. Sure. Come on out. Oh, monkey, that's a beast. Oh, okay. Yeah?
Yeah, it's gonna be.
Engine? Guys, you can get your engines from Westside Garage, Shishiwawi. Bagrali engine. From VW. Rings and bearings. Yeah, bona. Wena. Betaka ZIKO. Dlala sticks. Ola. Sharp. Oh, it is school. It is over newborn. Eita, ever. Sharp fere ola. Mon. It is school ni. It lo tswa ile immatriculated. Yeah, re tswa motla ba khola batho ba botsa re latly. My car is the best. And then Kingdom clinic. Mare ke a bana e. A batho ba go lo ba ka se toba diela maro smile. Because they did have a trouble with my rose smile.
At least to so called
Yeah.
I think you should feel get there.
Yeah.
Alexandra
This is a nice build. This is a nice build. It's coming along good. You can see already. Starch. Yeah, he'll never build up. Yo. Okay, show you take a pay. Hey. ZIKO le nyaka gore ba thaka je. Porupa.
Evans, show him that balance.
Guys, what's the next hot build? What's the next hot build this side? What's the next hot build this side? What is happening here? Spec Saka. This is NKUPI spec. Two-door sand. Two-door sand. Two-door sand. True. I'm not sure I want to try ease. I want to join that ease. What? Can you see what's going on here? Look. Double bellows. Where are they from? This guy. Yo, yeah. I think they're paying it now. Or maybe it was bagged. Yeah. I think it was bagged anyway. You see a car with those things, it had a hot ring. Because hot rings like to couple themselves with those things. I don't know why. Look at the tire. Look, I think it's tire. Look. What does this mean? Bit. Do you so? I want to see the bumpers. I'm interested whether it's a IS or just a normal. I don't know why it's here or what are they to do to it. And I don't know. ZIKO brings everything. Eh. 2527. Street IS engine. IS engine 2527, guys. It's an IS engine. IS has that type of it. So yeah, the chances of this car being an IS are very high. Not original, I'm saying being an IS. Now guys, now I believe what I see. I don't find out, I'm going to investigate. If the car has IS things and such an IS, it's an IS for me. I'm going to investigate. I have you Facebook people, my YouTube people to find out. Find even the owner, even the previous owner. I know you guys. Hey guys, I just wanted to check what was it? Wow. I just wanted to check what was going on, what are they building this time. So yeah. I saw and now I wanna leave. So that is just all we have for this episode of Cast and Centralized. And I mean that's good beautiful good fun. I was too good to entertain what I did for that. I mean I know how we weigh. How do you go carry for